Hello friends, our hands allow us to express ourselves in ways that sometimes words can't. And they play an important role to magnify the beauty of a lady. Our hands come into daily contact with many undesirable and harmful substances. These can take away the protective oils that keep the hand moist and supple, which lead to get a lot of wear and tear and tend to age faster than other parts of the body. Even frequent contact with the water is one of the commonest cause of skin irritation. We are doing these days because of fear of the corona infection, though this is the need of the hour, as once the skin of the hands is irritated and damaged, it is prone for the further damage and a vicious circle is set up leading to hand dermatitis and making existing dermatitis worse, and our hands start looking dry, wrinkled and dark. Taking good care of your hands will help repair the skin and reduces the damage. It also makes your hands looking soft, supple. It repairs the nails and make cuticles stronger and shiny. So, it is important to keep up a good hand care routine with the timely basic manicure practices, for which you neither need to spend so much money on costly products, nor it is necessary to rush to parlors. You can use the products you already have at your home. If you will follow the basic steps of the manicure, which I am going to tell you now, you can get beautiful, clean and baby soft hands, and this will also help to detan your hands. I'll also tell you how you can make your nails look beautiful and strengthen your cuticles. So please watch the video till end. So let's get started.
As you can see, my hands and nails are not in much good condition right now. Now before jumping onto the steps, you need to remove your nail paint and your rings, and you can also trim your nails and give them a desired shape.
For the basic manicure, you have to follow 4 basic steps.
Now for manicure, first step is soaking. You need to take lukewarm water. Soaking in lukewarm water helps to improve blood supply, relaxes the finger joints, reduces the stiffness, opens up the pores, which will clean the dirt from the pores. Then add half a teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda is a mild exfoliant that helps to remove dead skin and cleanses your pores. It's a brilliant bleaching agent, helps to lighten the skin tone. When it is mixed with the lemon, it reduces all kinds of dark spots and darkness present over your skin. Please do remember it's baking soda, not the baking powder. Then add 1 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Adding salt into the solution helps to cleanse pores deeply, balances oil production and thwart bacteria that can instigate breakouts. Then add half a lemon juice, and after that you can add 1 teaspoon of shower gel or baby shampoo or any face wash you have. I have this Versace shower gel, so I am using this, and few drops of, you have to add later on, a few drops of rosemary essential oil, which is purely optional. Mix it well and soak your hands for a good 10 to 15 minutes. The second step is cleaning. Bring out your hands and clean with either a brush or a pumic stone gently. Don't forget to clean the nails as well. This will not only improve the blood circulation in your nail bed, which will help to grow them faster, but also will improve the texture of your nail as well as skin. Then wash your hand with the clean water and pat them dry. The third step is to perform as a scrubbing. Now just your face, your hands also need to get scrubbed for proper cleaning. This done with the help of homemade scrub. I love to use grinded masoor dal soaked for 10 minutes in raw milk. In place of this, you can also use besan along with dahi and haldi as a scrub. It will specifically help to detan your hands and will lighten the tone of your skin. After scrubbing, wash your hands with clean water and rub the lemon on your hands and nails. The vitamin C present in the lemon will boost the keratin and collagen production and strengthen the structure of them. After that, use a manicure kit. If you don't have it, don't worry. Basically, you just need a nail filer to shapen your nails again and a cuticle remover to remove the extra torn cuticle and clean the nail beds, and a cuticle retractor. If you don't have this, don't worry. You can also use a forceps for the same. Please be careful while using cuticle remover as it is very sharp and it can cause cuts in your skin, so be gentle. Then again wash your hands and wipe with the towel. The fourth most important step is moisturization. It is one of the important steps. So apply a good moisturizer of lotion when hands are moist. Don't let them allow completely dry, as cream seal in hydration and work best with the little water. The best time to do this procedure is at night, as night will allow the skin to repair and to produce natural oils from your skin. Now, if you are doing it at night, you can add one more step, that is specifically for your nails. Massage your nails with castor oil for at least 1 minute, as it provides strengthening to your nails and make them flexible and reduces the chances of their breakage. You can also use olive oil or coconut oil if you want, if you don't have castor oil at home. Then now in morning you can apply your favorite nail paint, and do not forget to apply sunscreen before stepping out, just like you apply on your face. Now you are good to go.
So this was all about manicure. If you have any query, do let me know in the comment section below. Till then, stay well informed, be beautiful and happy.